Oh wow, have I got something special for you today. Here we have the subject of today's restoration. Not quite as pitted as I like, but okay for the experiment. So you may remember I did this about 6 months ago. Transformed this rusty pitted bugger into this remarkably shiny thing. And I only got 695 views. Yet, on scouring the net, I find this monstrosity. Yes, just paint over the pits. 3.6 million views. So, my theory is, if you can't beat 'em, join 'em. So we'll start off with a bit of a pendulum motion and hopefully hypnotise you all into watching every single minute of this video. I have edited it, I have done some slow motion, I have done many different effects for your viewing pleasure. Now, this is right near the start. You can see how fast these drips are going. A better view? Certainly. We'll move in now for a close-up. Look at those drips. 1, 2. Look at that one go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whoa, paint's flying off of this, isn't it? Now, honestly, you don't want to watch it all. It takes hours. So we'll jump forward about 15 minutes. And you can see now that is starting to slow on the dribbles. They're longer and they're slower. And we'll skip forward again. Less and less coming off now. That's got a nice uniform coverage, don't you think? I mean, all this time I've been using a spray can or a brush. Let's move in. Now, this is in slow motion, again for your viewing pleasure, in case you blinked and missed anything. Let's see if we can get another drip to come down in slow motion. How about that one on the left? There it goes. Whoa. Right, as nice as this is, I think we jump forward an hour now, and I've stuck it on ×4 speed. We'll watch about 30 seconds of this. This is about 2.5 hours into the dripping process. And like I say, absolutely remarkable. I don't think I'll be using a brush or a spray can again. Again, move forward in time, moving in for a close-up on a couple of the very last drips to happen. Quite a few hours into this now. I'm not saying this is more interesting than the 3.6 million views video, but it is. Right, so you see them two little dribble drips there at the bottom. They are, in fact, very slowly moving closer and closer together. This is on 1.5 times speed. I will slow it down now to live. This is actual time, people. Watch these drips join together, start to weigh too much, and leave the wrench. Here they go. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Unbelievable. Shall we have another look? Let's take that backwards and watch it again. Here we go, ready? Don't forget, this is live at real speed. Unbelievable. Right, well, I think I've had enough of that. Let's have a look how this wrench comes out. What do you think, people? Can we hit 6.3 million views? This is bloody remarkable. Thank you for watching. And if you do want to watch that Craftsman's wrench, here's the link. Bye for now.